Many established bloggers in this YouTube blogging industry are saying that having a sub to sub is not good. But for me, how to increase your subscribers fast. But before I will give you how to make that, if you don't have subscribed in my channel yet, please click the word subscribe below in the screen. And also, if you are already subscribed in my channel, thank you for visiting again. And today, I will give you how to increase your YouTube subscribers fast. Maybe you have 5,000 Facebook friends, but only few, maybe less than 100 or just 20 persons get subscribed on your YouTube channel. Some of them don't want to support you on your new career. Some of them don't really know the importance of their subscription on your YouTube channel. Third, they don't want to see your videos to be posted. Third, they are just being friends of you in Facebook but not in the reality. But also for those people in the positive side, they get subscribed on your channel because they wanted to support you in everything that you wanted to do and this new career, or in short, they love you. Second, they are supporting you for the reason of just answering for what you are asking. Third, they get subscribed on your channel because they are curious for what are the videos that you are going to post into your YouTube channel. Maybe you have tried to make a sub to sub using Facebook, Twitter, or other social media platforms. But as you have experienced, many people or many channels get subscribed on your channel today, but after the next day, many channels get unsubscribed on your channel. Why? The only reason is just their subscription was considered by YouTube as spam. Why this is happen? Because most of the people making a sub to sub in the Facebook and the Facebook groups using the Facebook platform, they sign in their Google account so they can access the YouTube easily without using the YouTube platform. So in that way, all their messages, their comments, their likes, or their subscriptions will be considered by YouTube as only a spam, improper. So that's the reason that many of them will get unsubscribed automatically after 24 hours or maybe after 2 to 3 days. So how will you make a legitimate sub to sub? The only way that you will have to make a legitimate sub to sub is by using the YouTube platform. Yes, you should have to use the YouTube platform. By the way, many of the established bloggers are saying that sub to sub is not good. But for me, who will watch your videos if you don't have subscribers? If you will just rely on YouTube search, until when you can have subscribers? After 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? That's a very long time to go. But there is a way where you can have to get more subscribers and get your channel exposed to many people in the YouTube community by using sub to sub. To have a legitimate sub to sub by using the YouTube platform, like for example, you are watching this video of Miss Ayen Clemaco. Let's watch this first for entertainment.
Uy, crush! July na pala! Would you like to be with me?
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の dreaming
Gusto ko lang naman ang lambing mo Di na ako galit, halika na dito
Won't you come home to me, yeah
Can you be my remedy, yeah
Baby, just do whatever I say
Matagal na panahon na kitang balak tanungin May pag-asa ba ko bakit di pa sagutin Sabihin mo ano pa ba ang dapat kong gawin Bukod sa araw-araw kitang dapat mahalin.
Namimiss ko na ang I love you mo. Sorry na, baby ko. Huwag ka lang magtampo. Ano man nagawa ko, sana'y
After you watch her video, you click subscribe. Or maybe if you already click the subscribe, you click like. Then click the comment box. You write in the comment box, like here, you write the word, for me, I only need to paste because I already made a message which I already copied. And then like this, for example, new friend here, sending you my support. Hope you help me also. Once you made this comment, the person who is the owner of the video will receive your message through her message notification box. Once she received the notification in her notification box, she will understand for the message that you want sub to sub with her or with him. So let's erase this first because I already subscribed her. Like this, for example. Much better if you put a message which is relative to the video or your comment. Then you add the word of telling her that you give her the support and you also asking her to help you. Once she will receive the message in her notification box, the owner of the video will respond. Like this, for example, she said, "Thank you so much po. God bless po." That means she already received the information through her notification box, which is I already subscribed her and asking her to help me through her subscription. Another way of making good sub to sub is by choosing from those people who made a comment from those video by making a respond or a reply. Like this, for example, she made a comment that she have done her part of making a sub to sub. What you have to do is just making a reply. Even though the message is not for you, but you have an intention for making a sub to sub with her, you can comment in the replies. In this part, you can have to put a comment, reply, a reply to to Ma'am Angel Lontayaw. To make a personalized message, you should have to type first her channel name like this. Once you have typed her channel name, you should have to add the message, which in my case, I already made a message that is that can be available for all. So I will paste this. Hi, do you want to make a sub to sub with me? And because you type her name first, which is Ma'am Angel Lontayaw, she will know that the message is for her. Then you will send. I already made a message to her. Once she will confirm that she want to make a sub to sub with me, she will reply, or else she will go directly to my channel. How will you go directly to the channel of the person that you have seen in the comment? You click the profile picture. Once you have clicked the profile picture, her channel will get pop up, and then you can have to subscribe or click again her profile name, her profile picture, to go into her channel. So this is it. Once you are in the channel, for the person that you have find in the comment box where you wanted to subscribe, you will click her video. You can click in here or go to her videos section, then watch. Once you are watching the video, you can click the subscribe. Then you should have to make comment to inform her that you are making a subscription in her channel. And again, in my case, I already made a message which I only need to paste like this. New friend her, sending you my support. Hope you help me also. Like what we have done in the video of Miss Ayen Climaco. So I will post this comment, and that's it. And then repeat for what you have done. For this comment, there is a comment here. Either you will go to her channel directly by clicking her profile picture, or by making a reply, by informing her that you want to make a sub to sub, like what we have done earlier, like this. For me, much better for only making a replies for the 5 comments, because if you will make many replies, it will flood into her notification box for the owner of the video, because there are other people who will get irritated with many notifications. But in my case, in this video, you can have to make a reply for all the people who have made a comments here, because I understand it's up to you if you made a reply for all the comments, or you will have to go to their respective channels and make a message, or subscribe them and make a message with them. Then go back to this video and select another, then go to their channel again. But for me, the fastest way is just making a message by only 4 to 5 replies for each comments. That's the fast way. And once you go to the other channel and choose a video, then there are also comments on those videos. You should have to only repeat for what you have done. After making sub to sub, let's check my notifications in my YouTube app. In here, below, there are home, explore, subscriptions, and inbox, and then library. To get to read your notifications, you must click the inbox here. All the people who made a comment in your videos, and those people who made a reply with your messages on the other videos, will be posted here in your notification box. So as you have read, there is a new comment in my video. Daylight Travel commented. Let's check this. This is the comment. Idolwise, love it. Keep it up. Anyways, enjoyed watching here. Looking forward to see more videos. Then I will have to check if this person I already have subscribed or not. Click the profile picture, meaning I did not subscribe her channel yet. So I will have to click again to visit her channel. This is her channel. And watch her video. We are now watching her video. As early as this, I can have to subscribe her. You can watch the video and at the same time making a comment. Once you made a comment of keep vlogging, keep safe, keep in touch, this means that you are making a permanent sub to sub with her. Then post. In this case, I am checking my notifications, but there are people who made a comment in her videos. I can make a reply for each videos, like what we have discussed earlier. Hi, do you want to make a sub to sub with me? Then, in my case, I prefer for those people who have less than 1,000 subscribers, or what we call as small YouTubers, are the ones who will make an immediate reply. So, comment. So today, you know that you can have to make a legitimate sub to sub by using the YouTube platform, and then you can also have to make a comment, and of the same time, you are still watching the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will share this video to help inform the others.